Alright, so here's my monkey. I got this spool for putting right here, so that way you could lift the bike up. I'm not sure this is gonna clear my exhaust, my new exhaust here. So anyways, yeah, so you lift the bike up on the spools. I already did the other side. Let's do this side, or actually let's look at it first. So this is from Ridea. This is a Japanese company. It's really nice part. I'm not sure if this thing clears my exhaust though, so it might be useless. So here it is. It's all nice and machined. The inside of here, the core is stainless. It's a I think it's an 8mm. Yeah, it's an 8mm inside. The stainless part is 8mm. The outside right here is 10mm. So the spool would sit right here in this slot right here, where it's like a U shape. And this little garter here, so that way it doesn't. And it's just basically like so. That way, you know, when it sits in this little U shape here, this extra height of this piece here, and also the outside piece, the gold piece, the black piece and the gold piece, will help it from coming off the oh, too tight, coming off of the spool, slipping off of the spool, you know, especially when you're working on the bike and you're putting a lot of torque on the bike on some big nut or bolt. Potentially it could kind of, you know, shift the bike and move it off. So this helps. So that's it right there. It's a really nice piece. You know, very nice CNC machine. Great, you know, gold here, black here. The anodizing looks fantastic. The machining on the stainless looks fantastic too. It's like, it's a very smooth, very nice, very nice cut on the lathe. I need to take off this nut here. So that one's a 14mm. So 14mm, and that's the washer there. You could, you know, you could leave the washer there, or you could take the washer off. You know, if you take the washer off, you could probably get one more teeth engagement, but you probably don't need it, because the way it is you already get, let me see, 5 teeth, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teeth engagement. That's more than enough. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I mean, I could also leave it like that, because you look at it here, this part here it's more than enough, more than big enough to cover that spot. But I think I'm just gonna leave the washer there, just because I could take it off, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Alright, so on the inside it's 8mm. I have to use this long one because the regular one doesn't work. It's not long enough. So there, remember that the core is stainless steel. So when you use stainless, don't over torque it, otherwise it'll gall, and when it galls, it doesn't want to come off. Actually, let me take off this one, just so you can see this piece right here. This is also, you know, basically this little piece that's been machined on right there. Alright, so there it is. So it's a very nice, you know, very nice, nicely made. Again, you know, I got the gold because it's sort of, kind of, it doesn't really match the back. The back's yellow, but you know, they have a bunch of different colors. Yes, the gold kind of matches the forks, right? Because the forks on this bike is gold. It has a gold anodized. So that, and just really lightly tighten this. That's it. That shouldn't need any more than that. Just, you know, this thing's not holding any type of pressure or nothing like that. Same with this right here. And that's it. Man, this thing, I don't know if it's gonna clear my exhaust or not. Let's look at it right there. See that? Actually, let's look at it so that way it's more straight on. I don't know if it's gonna clear the exhaust right here. This the tailpipe on the exhaust, because my spool my spool thingamabob is the way that it works. It needs space, so this might not, this might not work. I might not be able to use this at all. I'm gonna have to basically get rid of this. This is so nice. This is like the prettiest piece on my bike. This and the Olens, like the prettiest piece. Oh, the exhaust is pretty too. But very nice. It's like very bling bling, very jewelry looking. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. If this was a stock exhaust, it might not fit either. Well, actually, you know what? It would fit because the stock exhaust is on top. I totally forgot. The stock exhaust is on top. I was thinking about the Super Cub. So shoot, this might not fit. God dang it. That might have been useless right there. Yeah. I don't think this thing's gonna fit. But anyways, that's what it looks like. On the other side. So it looks like it's kind of weird with the big old black thing right there, sticking out the way, being big like that, the way it is. Yeah. So anyways, so if you have the stock, still have the stock exhaust or a high exhaust, this will work for you. But the slow slung exhaust, I don't think it's gonna work. It's not gonna fit my spool, my wheel, spool wheel lifting thingamabob. So it's looking from the top. So that's how it is from the top. And your spool is just flat only, and there's nothing else to it. It'll probably work, but mine is not. Mine is because mine is a double-sided. Mine has the spool type where it hooks underneath this, and it also has the type where the bottom lifts from the swing arm. So it has both sides. So that's why this would be in the way of that. If it was only that spool without the swing arm lift, then it probably would fit. But the way it is right now, it's not gonna fit. Oh, so that's a bummer. Okay. So anyways, so this will I'll probably post this for sale then. Man, I just got this thing too. Dang it. Oh well. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.